guys, and welcome to HeidiKMakeup. It's been so long since I've been on this channel that I literally don't even remember what my greeting is here. But I thought that I'd just do a get ready with me real quick because I've been back to vlogging lately over on HeidiKMakeup and I'm like, I should probably come back. I do have a couple of Pan That Palette updates coming up, but I figured I'd do this video because I have to get ready anyway. And this channel has been so neglected, so it will be a little bit less editing, but I'm sure we'll get interrupted by my kids because that's literally how I get ready every single day. And most of the things here, I shouldn't say that. I was gonna say most of the things here are really, really cheap, but that's not true. The eyeshadow palette and the face palette isn't. It's just stuff that I already had. So I haven't been spending a lot of money on makeup lately because I've been spending my makeup money on fish stuff. You guys don't know I have a fish channel, which also hasn't gotten a lot of uploads lately quite as much. My laptop broke, so I kind of fell off the face of the earth. And then over Christmas, my sister gave me her old laptop because she got a new one for work, which is awesome. So I've suddenly been able to edit a little bit better. Like, we have a PC, which I could technically edit on, but it was really difficult to do. It looks like we're about to get greeted by a little child here. And I found that... Mama. Yes, Irene? Would you like this? Here you go. Anyways, I just kind of like underestimated how much the laptop made a difference. And I've been uploading a lot over on HeidiKMakeup. Uh-oh, pick it up. Pick it up. On the family vlog. And I'm really sorry that my kid's gonna be interrupting me. This is literally just what getting ready looks like in my house. So it's not like a tutorial or anything. This is just how I get ready. Anyway, so for foundation, what I did was this Milani Perfect and Conceal in the shade 00A Porcelain, which is actually a little light for me. And then for eyeshadow base, I'm going to just use an e.l.f. eyeshadow base. As I've been running out of things, because my collection is much smaller than it used to be, I've honestly just been replacing them with drugstore stuff, and it hasn't been a huge difference. That's a picture of a camera. It's a camera, pretty cool, huh? Camera, that's right. Honestly, I haven't noticed a real difference. I've been really impressed with a lot of Milani stuff lately, which is nice. But we also recently moved, and a lot of the e.l.f. concealer, a lot of the brands that were in my old grocery store, because a lot of times I would just pick up stuff at the grocery store while I was shopping anyway, are no longer here. So I kind of have to do a little bit more searching if I want to find anything that's cruelty free, because everything in my grocery store basically is owned by L'Oreal. It's all like Maybelline. I think Revlon might be there, but none of it's cruelty free. So that's a little obnoxious. I kind of miss my old grocery store for that reason, because I liked being able to just pick up replacement stuff when I ran out. Anyways, I'm doing the Beverly Hills Self-Made palette. This was a seasonal palette. I love it so much. I've been wearing basically the same eyeshadow look. Thank you, Irene. I've been wearing basically the same eyeshadow look every single day, more or less. So I'm going into Buttery, which is right over here. It's literally just like a base, like an eyeshadow base kind of thing. Just like a really pale matte eyeshadow color, which kind of matches my skin tone. It definitely, I don't know what you would do if you had a darker skin tone, but it works for me. And then this brush, I think came in the Naked 3 palette like a million years ago. But it's literally the only brush I've been using for like my actual shadow. So I got a Pink Champagne, which is a super cool shimmery color. I really, really love it. It just has a lot of punch to it. In a flat brush and just kind of pack it on. You know what, let me zoom in. I know you guys can't really, whoop, there we go. Can't really see what's going on here. And sorry about the lighting in my bathroom too. We moved. That's another thing that happened. So much has happened. Thank you, Irene, for holding that up. So much has happened. My well, both my children have gotten huge, grown up so much. So yeah, anyways, I haven't been spending a lot of money on makeup because I've been using my makeup budget for for saltwater fish. I have a really cool saltwater tank now, which I've been really obsessed with. Makeup was always a hobby for me, and now the fish have kind of replaced that on the hobby. I still love makeup, but it's not as much like, sometimes I feel like makeup can really easily get wrapped up in consumerism. You know what I mean? So just a little pencil brush in that same shade. This palette doesn't really have a great color for brows. Like this sherbet color is kind of warm. It does okay with red hair, but I honestly don't know what you would do if you had literally any other hair color. And my actual eyebrows are not red because my hair is not naturally red. So this doesn't match perfectly, but I honestly just don't want to get out another palette. I've been using a lot of my singles lately, actually. Oh, don't, thank you. A lot of my singles lately, actually. And then I think I'm gonna go into this burgundy shade right here, which is called Metallic Plum. It's such a basic look that I've been doing, but I've been loving it, you guys. And then I'm gonna use the pencil side of this and go into this dark brown shade called Hot Chocolate. It's just a matte brown. This look is really generic. Like, you could probably do this with most palettes, but what I have to say is I really, really like these shadows. And I'm actually gonna go into Isla, this teal shade. So I guess this shade's a little bit more of a pop of color, so maybe not everyone has this one, but I've been wearing that in my waterline. It's really pretty. All right, Irene, I gotta set you down for just a sec because it's really hard for me to do my eyeliner. So yeah, you could hold that brush, and I'm gonna set you right here while I do my eyeliner. You want up? Oh man, this is gonna be a hot mess. Let's see what happens here. Okay, so just a Wet n Wild liquid. Nope, it's not gonna focus. It's just the Mega Liner. It's their only liquid liner that's in a pot like this. Actually, that's not true. I think they have a waterproof one, which I actually hate. But their non-waterproof one I really, really like. It's actually probably my favorite liquid eyeliner. Which is funny because I've heard some people give it a bad review. Like, I know Tati does not like this eyeliner, like, at all. And maybe it's just because this is the eyeliner that I learned how to use liquid liner on, like back when I was in high school. But I just find it to be really, really easy. It's tricky when you have a baby on your lap, though. So yeah, we bought a house. Like, not only did we move, we actually bought our very, very first house. Don't talk while you're doing your eyeliner, Heidi. This is turning out really wavy. Hey, oh goodness, don't eat eyeliner. Hold on, let's wipe that off of you. Hold on. That right there is another reason why I haven't been using much in the way of expensive makeup, because when your kids reach this toddler age, they really, really, really get into all of your makeup and everything. Uh-oh, go pick that up. Pick it up. Pick up the thing you dropped. This is e.l.f. finishing powder. I think they just repackaged. They had the ones that came like this. I think they just repackaged it and charged twice as much. So that's a little obnoxious, but e.l.f. is one of the few brands that's pretty easy for me to get out here. So I don't know. I find it annoying. I feel like e.l.f. used to be super affordable, and now it's just kind of like the same price as everything else, which isn't to say they don't have good stuff. I just kind of became accustomed to the cheaper prices. And you know what? I'm going to do my mascara off camera. This is not a good mascara. I've been wearing a lot of fake eyelashes lately because I don't like this mascara very much. I don't recommend it. Again, it's one of those things that is available to me.
Hey, Mama.
Yes, Roslyn. Hey, Ray with kids is chaos. This is why half the time I don't really wear makeup. I did a video on my parenting channel about kind of like why I've disappeared off the face of the earth. This is the Balm Luminizer palette. All of these are available kind of everywhere, but I'm using the Cindy Luminizer, which is kind of that peach blush color. It's all right here, and actually I'm going to use this whole palette. I'm going to use the highlighter too, and the bronzer. Okay, and then for lips, this is something that my sister gave me. It's by Ofra, and it's their long-lasting liquid lipstick, which I really, really like. I know like the long-lasting lipsticks are like the newest phase, but I've heard that a lot of them are really, really drying, and usually I like really moisturizing lipstick. I don't mind reapplying lipstick, but my sister kind of just like won this, and like she got it for free and was like, do you want this? I was like, sure. So this is the shade Mocha. I've been wearing it a lot, and you know, it's not like those ones that last all day, but it does last a little bit longer in my experience. And so back in the day, I think Ofra was cruelty-free. I honestly don't remember if it's considered cruelty-free now, because I didn't pay for it, so I didn't really go shopping. Anyways, that's pretty much the makeup look that I've been doing a lot lately, with different colors in the waterline, or sometimes no color in the waterline. I was gonna do my hair with you too, but Irene seems to want to sit on my lap. So I can't use my hot curling iron with a baby in my lap, so maybe I'll do my hair a little bit later on today. Hit the bell, because I don't know what it is. Something about the second half of the year, every year I seem to just disappear. So if you hit the bell, you'll never miss a video. You can also check out any of my other channels. I have a fish channel, which is Heidi's Fish Tank, a parenting channel, which is HeidiKMTV, which I posted on just recently, and I've been blogging a little bit more lately on Sudden Kimpact. But I make no promises about when things go up. I don't seem to have a schedule right now. So hit the bell, check out any of those other channels if you want to see more of us. Sorry for the hecticness that is this video, but this is how I get ready every single day. And we'll talk to you when we talk to you. Bye, guys.